This review is for the Crow Tarot, a beautifully illustrated deck by artist M.J. Cullinane, published by US Game Systems Inc. This deck blends the classic tarot framework with evocative animal symbolism inspired by crows and ravens, creatures long associated with intuition, transformation, and spiritual insight. This deck is very much Rider-Waite influenced, with its 22 major and 56 minor arcana, with meanings rooted in familiar tarot symbolism. That makes this deck accessible for beginners, while still offering depth for advanced readers who want to explore the card's emotional and intuitive layers. The imagery in this deck is striking. M.J. Cullinane used digital collage art to bring the intelligence and mystique of crows into every card. The artwork feels dynamic and alive, mixing traditional symbolic elements with birds, nature, and spiritual energy that invites you to look deeper each time you shuffle. Even familiar cards take on new emotional weight when seen through the lens of these powerful winged messengers. Personally, I prefer decks without a lot of framing, but I appreciate the artistry and the framing used on these cards. The guidebook that comes with the deck offers clear, upright, and reversed meanings, and even a custom Crow Tarot spread to help you connect more deeply with the cards. No issues with the cards themselves. They're comfortable, standard size, and solid, easy to shuffle, hold, and lay out in spreads. It's a good quality deck, and they come packed in a premium box. Recommend.